name is Stef and welcome to this video about Francium yield farming on Solana, which offers leverage and also really nice strategies which you can get them and you click it and make money. So first let's offer you the farming strategies. I'm not affiliated by anything of Francium, I just observed the project. It's really nice. They are on Solana, I'm bullish on Solana, so this is why I want to get this APR. If you don't want to do this, you'll get 19% or 23%. And also, if you go on the USDC farms, you can see they offer really nice APY or APR. The difference between APY and APR are APY means that you auto compound every day by yourself, and APR is normal yield gain in a year. So you want to go where they offer two-sided borrowing, and on this one is DFL, they offer borrowing. You can go on here and you can borrow two assets, which is really nice. And you want to, if you want to invest $1,000, you just do 25% because it's 3 leverage, so your ratio is 1 to 3, and you borrow $500 and then you borrow also 9,183. So also really nice is the simulator in which you show the yielding curve and how much you gain in, let's say, 30 days. So in 30 days with this strategy, if the price stays the same, you will get 70% for $180. And your stop loss is if it goes below 97%, and if the price needs to go, like, let's see how much it needs to go, you can go here and you can see where's the liquidation price on. Liquidation price is if the price goes, where is it? Liquidation price is if the price goes for DFL above 250%. So your profitability is in this minus 35% to 85%. So you need to watch this every day so to be profitable, and in 180 days you will get 147. So to realize your investment you will need 130 days, and it's really nice. And if you don't like to do this, you just can go to farming strategies and you can get this pseudo delta neutral strategy. So just click it and you get 20%. You can also lend assets, like you can lend those assets to, which give you really nice APY, like Gene and this $184, but I don't know where you can short this, and that's how you can gain a really nice APY on farming platform Francium. And I hope you guys like it. Like, share, subscribe this video, and I hope you realize this year your goals, and also read some books on self-improvement and financial independence. See you soon.
Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay, what's the second best? There is no second best. There's no second best crypto asset. There's a crypto asset. It's called Bitcoin, right? Right? There's no second best. Okay.